Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to talk about how you can fix your Play Store. If your Play Store is not signed in or not working, how you can download any app game from the app without any APK file or something in your Redmi 13C smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start, friends. You can see the other alternative of Play Store is Get Apps. It is a Redmi app. You can see it is a system app. Get Apps. You can download any app. From it. You can see Instagram, games, apps, anything. It is like a Play Store. You can download it from. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.